Hollywood is changing fast, and no, I'm not talking about another reboot of a 90s sitcom. I'm talking about artificial intelligence stepping into the studio lot. From agencies using AI to predict what movie you'll binge next, to creators wondering if they're going to be replaced by a machine. It's getting real out here. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Ryan, and my mission is to help you navigate the overwhelming world of artificial intelligence. And if you want to know my favorite AI tools and prompts, be sure to get my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. You can find the link for my free guide in the video description or pinned comment below. All right, let's cut through the hype and get into what's actually happening in Hollywood and why content creators like us need to be paying attention. Part 1, the Agency Shakeup. So here's the deal. United Talent Agency, which reps A-listers like Will Ferrell and Cynthia Erivo, is fully embracing AI, not just as a buzzword for press releases, but as a practical tool to get their clients better opportunities. They've built an app, yes, a mobile app using Microsoft Azure that gives agents real-time access to data on audience behavior. Imagine you're walking into a meeting and you already know which show is blowing up on TikTok, what demos are binging thrillers on Netflix, and how your client's last project is performing across platforms. That's not just a tech flex, that's a competitive edge. For decades, agencies have had to cobble together reports from 10 different platforms and try to make sense of it. Sound familiar? It's what content creators and marketers like us deal with every day. Endless spreadsheets, partial analytics, guessing what works. Now AI is cutting through that noise. And part 2, instant market research without the focus groups. But here's where it gets wild. UTA is testing a system called ARU that predicts how different demographics will react to films or talent. No focus groups, no surveys, no people fudging their answers for a $20 gift card. Instead, this AI analyzes psychographic profiles, things like values, preferences, personality types, and simulates audience reactions. For creators, this could be a game changer. Imagine knowing what kind of content your target audience wants before you spend a minute scripting or filming. It's like having a psychic marketer in your back pocket, only it's powered by data, not tarot cards. Part 3, AI isn't replacing you, it's redefining your workflow. Now, before anyone panics about being replaced, let me be clear. The most successful AI implementations aren't about replacing humans. They're about freeing us from the time-wasting stuff, digging through files, redoing thumbnails, or running 10 split tests just to pick a headline. UTA is using tools like Glean and Perplexity to search across internal databases, Google Drive, Salesforce, you name it. What used to take an entire department now takes a few seconds. That's how AI should be used, to enhance the human side of creativity, not eliminate it. Let me ask you, what would you do with 10 extra hours a week if you didn't have to chase data or manually piece together your marketing reports? Comment below, because that's a question more of us need to start answering seriously. Part 4, the creative side. OpenAI's image generation. OpenAI just launched a new image generation tool inside ChatGPT, and it's another level. We're talking about AI that can take a selfie and turn it into an anime scene, generate book covers with perfect text rendering, or even design a custom trading card of your dog snowboarding. Yes, that was a real demo. What used to take hours with a designer now takes minutes. Thumbnails, Instagram carousels, ebook visuals. You can create them without touching Canva or Photoshop. And here's the kicker. The model is multimodal. That means it understands images, audio, and text all at once. You can feed it an image, describe the vibe you want, and it'll spit out something that actually looks professional. This is what I mean when I say the future of content creation is being redefined. Not by taking humans out of the equation, but by removing the barriers between your ideas and execution. Part 5, the flip side and what's not working. And now, not every AI rollout has been a win. The Startup 11X tried to replace sales reps with AI, and it flopped hard. Customers bailed, the results weren't there. Why? Because they misunderstood the assignment. The goal isn't to remove humans entirely, it's to boost what we're already doing well and take the grunt work off our plates. This reinforces something I've been saying for a while now. The best AI tools are co-pilots, not replacements. They make you faster, sharper, and more strategic, but they don't replace your taste, your instincts, or your experience. Part 6. where this is heading for content creators. So what does all this mean if you're a content creator? Should you be worried? Honestly, it depends. If you're clinging to outdated methods, refusing to adapt, and hoping the algorithm doesn't change, yeah, you should probably be worried. But if you're the kind of creator who's willing to learn new tools, stay agile, and focus on what actually drives results, then AI is your secret weapon. You'll go from spending 4 hours editing a YouTube thumbnail to having 5 variations in 5 minutes. From guessing what your audience wants to knowing with predictive confidence. From creative burnout to finally having room to breathe and explore new formats. In my experience, the creators who win in this new era won't be the ones who shout the loudest. They'll be the ones who use AI to remove the friction between idea and execution. They'll build systems. They'll test faster. They'll keep their voice human, but their workflows optimized. This isn't about replacing your creativity. It's about multiplying it. That's why I'm bullish on using tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and custom image generation inside real business workflows. I use them daily in my agency and personal projects, and I can tell you they save time, boost quality, and keep me focused on high leverage work. So to answer the question, should creators be worried? Only if they ignore what's coming. The rest of us, we should be excited because for the first time, we have tools that match our ambition that let us work faster, think bigger, and bring our visions to life without burning out. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with someone who's wondering how AI will affect their creative career. Let's build smarter, not harder. And remember, true creative freedom isn't just about having ideas, it's about having the tools to bring them to life. See you in the next one.